So here we have a question: 8 minus 8 divided by 10 times 2, right? So now 8 minus 8 gives us 0. Then divide 10 times 2 is equal to 20. Now 0 divided by 20 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, and second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this problem, we have one subtraction, one division and multiplication. So first we have to solve division and multiplication, and both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So now 8 divided by 10 can be written as 8 upon 10, right? Now 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So 4 upon 5, right? 8 minus 4 upon 5 times 2, right? So now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 8 minus 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 8 divided by 5. Now 8 minus 8 by 5 is equal to, here we have to take LCM. So 5 and times 5. Multiply both sides by 5, right? So 8 times 5 is equal to 40 divided by, 40 minus 8 divided by 5, right? Now 40 minus 8 is equal to 32 divided by 5, and that's our final answer, 32 divided by 5. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.